To change DPI settings on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, we have two main methods that we can use. The first method is to open the settings on your phone, then over here scroll down a little bit and go to display settings, and then in here you can easily find the screen zoom option, which is also known as display size, and of course in here we can adjust its size by moving left and right, and this allows you to easily change DPI settings just like that. But besides that, if you want to be slightly more precise, then you can use developer options, and then in there we can find a hidden DPI option. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna go to about phone, because first we need to enable these developer options. So we're gonna go to the software information once you go to about phone, and in here we need to keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter your screen lock password. Once you enable developer options, we're gonna go back to the settings menu, and then over here we have these developer options. Now we need to scroll down quite a bit, and we need to find an option in the drawing section, and that is called minimum width. Now in here, the lower the number we provide, the bigger the screen is going to be. So if I type something like 320, and I believe this is the lowest number that we can provide, then everything will be definitely bigger, every element on the screen. But if you want to make it smaller, then we can type a bigger number, like let's say 600. And then if I press OK, there we go. The UI is so small that I actually have this tablet look now on my phone. Of course, you can keep adjusting the values over here, and you might be able to use something really cool in here. Now, keep in mind that if you provide like really high number in here, then you can mess things up with the display size, and it might be difficult to change this setting back as it was. And in this case, if you, for example, use now this tablet view by accident even, or if you want to quickly switch back to the normal value, you can just go back to display settings, open screen zoom settings, and just change the screen zoom in here, and it's going to fix it. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.